let us look a little bit at the difference between meditation and focus and even a trance, because it's a normal belief that meditation is what you get when you focus on one thing so deeply that you enter the flow states. And although these are similar and kind of related, they are not actually the same thing. Because in focus, you're putting so much attention on that one thing that your mind becomes silent because of that. So it's like a mantra. But a mantra is not actually meditation. It's simply the training wheels that you put on until you are silent, and then you drop it. And so focus is narrow, while meditation is open. Although you might need to narrow your focus in order to make your mind silent, as soon as your mind is silent, you let the narrowness go and you're just open and aware, right here, right now. And so you don't need to focus on anything, or you can focus on everything. You're simply aware of what's happening, both inside and outside. And the same thing if you go into a trance, like you can use shamanic drums, and travel with the drums, boom, 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 and you kind of entrench your mind, and you go in, you go deep into a trance. Again, that is a focus. That's a more wide kind of focus, but it's still focus. You will get into a meditation state, but it's not the pure meditation that I'm teaching in this course. Because the meditation I'm teaching is what you are. It's the silence that is always here, whether you're focusing on anything or not. So meditation is open, like air, like space, while focus and a trance is narrow. It's tunnel vision. It might be free of disturbing thoughts, but it's still narrow, it's closed. So that's why meditation is not actually those things.